Why storytelling is very important for branding. Throughout many decades, brands have been successful enough to send emotional signals using mass media and other means of communication. But the core of branding has always been telling great stories, whether it has been told through a 10-second TV commercial or through a print advertisement with picture and words. Stories are nothing new. They are as old as human civilization. It started when humans gathered around the campfire and figured out that effective storytelling was the best way to pass on the information that was vital for survival. When you fast forward 10,000 years or so, and we see the emergence of internet, mobile accessibility, and social media have changed some of the ways we tell stories. It has allowed everyone to become a publisher of content. It allows us to tell stories in as little as 140 characters through Twitter and 6-second videos through Vines. Today, branding is not only about what you say who you are, but also about what consumers think who you are. Traditional marketing and advertising is telling the world that you are a great company with great products and services. Content marketing is showcasing to the world that you are a great company with great products and services. Telling authentic and engaging stories. The story is a complete picture made up of facts, feelings, and interpretations, which means that part of your story isn't even told by you. Creating a brand story is not simply about standing out and getting noticed. It's about building something that people care about and want to buy into. It's about thinking beyond utility and functionality of products and services and striving for a deeper bond with your customers. Stories go beyond the facts. Facts can be told, but stories can be sold. Stories make memories and builds loyalty with your customers. Brand stories are powerful testimonies of your brand's existence, whether it's about solving a challenge or a problem, or the underdog rising, or the quest for something remarkable. All stories have a personal connect at a deeper emotional and spiritual level. Today, any medium can be used to tell a story, including blogs, vlogs, videos, short films, print, social channels, and multimedia. Brands like Nike, H&M, Cisco, Gillette, McDonald's, Starbucks, Apple, Tom's Shoes, Warby Parker, GoPro, Airbnb, Under Armour, Virgin, etc. are all built on storytelling. What stories do you want to tell around your brand? Begin telling a compelling and honest story that makes a deep connection with your customers and associates. Please feel free to share your thoughts on storytelling. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe.